Hi! In front of me is TCL 30 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in floating windows. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in pop-up view, like Chrome. Now, in order to continue, you need to open your chosen app in the background. If you are using Trick's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. Now, click on the icon of your app, select floating window, and as you can see, after that, I can use my app in this little window. If you want to move it around, just hold it and drag it. If you want to use it in full screen view instead, click on the bottom left corner. In order to use it, overlay the other app, just access the other one and operate in both. You can also close your window completely by clicking on the bottom right corner or simply swiping it in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!